Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a HUAWEI Pura 80 Pro, and let me share with you how to change the keyboard language on this device. So let's start with opening the app which will provide you with the keyboard. So for example, messages, notes, browser, settings, whatever, just have the keyboard on the screen. And now all we have to do is to tap on this three-dot icon here in the upper panel of the keyboard. Then let's go to the settings and here tap on languages. Here we've got the list of all currently applied languages. We've got only English, and under it we've got those which are pre-installed, so we can freely choose something from those. Let me pick Greek. Just tap on the language which you'd like to apply. Let me go back. I just wanted to show you that it will immediately appear at the top. So here in this so here in this your languages section. So now let me go back to the keyboard actually. We can do it here because I wanted to show you how to use the keyboard with 2 or more languages added before I'll show you how to remove the language. So here in the keyboard we've got the space bar with those arrows, thanks to which we can actually change the language. Just by swiping on the keyboard, we can change the keyboard layout. We've got English and Greek in my case. All right, so in order to remove the language, we have to go to the languages again. And here all you have to do is to simply tap on the switcher next to the language you'd like to turn off, because as you can see it's still saved here, but all we have to do is to simply long press to delete, tap on delete, and it will be immediately removed from our keyboard. Obviously we can still set it here. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.